We are loving to Him. We are loving to Him. We are loving to Him, and blessings to Him. Allah Almighty Himself with angels are blessings to Him. We are loving to Him, and blessings to Him. Allah Almighty Himself with angels are blessings to Him. Allah Almighty Himself with angels are blessings to Him. मुहब्बते निछावर पर रहमते निछावर पर मुहब्बते निछावर पर रहमते निछावर पर खुद अल्लाह भी शामिल है और फरिश्तों की रहमतुन पर खुदा अल्लाह भी शामिल है और फरिश्तों की रहमतुन पर. The moon gain light more, the stars gain shine more. The moon gain light more, the stars gain shine more. The darkful earth become at once like sunshine having light more. The darkful earth become at once like sunshine having light more. आमद नबी से चांद भी चमका, हदायत के नूर से सितारा भी चमका. आमद नबी से चांद भी चमका, हदायत के नूर से सितारा भी चमका. जुल्मतों में गिरी ज़मीन एकदम चमकती सूरज की के नूर चमका. जुल्मतों में गिरी ज़मीन एकदम चमकती सूरज की के नूर चमका. We are loving to Him and blessings to Him. Allah Almighty Himself with angels are blessings to Him. The stones and mountains were happy, the animals and plants were happy. The stones and mountains were happy, the animals and plants were happy. Why not they all were happy? Blessings of all were be happy. Why not they all were happy? Blessings of all were be happy. पहाड़ों पत्थर भी झूम उठे, जानवर और पौधे भी झूम उठे। पहाड़ों पत्थर भी झूम उठे, जानवर और पौधे भी झूम उठे। क्यों न ये सारे झूम उठे, जहानों की रहमत सब झूम उठे। क्यों न ये सारे झूम उठे, जहानों की रहमत सब झूम उठे। We are moving to Him and blessings to Him. Allah Almighty Himself with angels are blessings to Him. The slaves come to the top, the women come to the top. The slaves come to the top, the women come to the top. The kids become heaven on earth, the truth come to the top. The kids become heaven on earth, the truth come to the top. गुलामों को बुलंदी मिली, औरतों को बुलंदी मिली। गुलामों को बुलंदी मिली, औरतों को बुलंदी मिली। बच्चों को मर्तबाए मिला, सच्चाई को बुलंदी मिली। बच्चों को मर्तबाए मिला, सच्चाई को बुलंदी मिली। We are loving to Him and blessings to Him. Allah Almighty Himself with angels are blessings to Him. मुहब्बते निछावर पर, रहमते निछावर पर। खुदा अल्लाह भी शामिल है और फरिश्तों की रहमत उन पर।